If you're wondering how to add a section to a subtask in Asana, you're in the right place. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to easily organize your tasks and subtasks with sections in just a few steps. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to navigate Asana like a pro and make your task management much more efficient. Now, you can use Asana for completely free, and if you check out the first link below, we have an exclusive bonus waiting for you. You'll want to stay till the end for all the details. First thing, let's talk about subtasks in Asana. If you haven't already, make sure you're creating subtasks within your main tasks. This is a great way to break down large projects into smaller, manageable pieces. To create a subtask, just click on the task where you want to add a subtask, and under the task details, hit the Add Subtask button. Simple, right? Next thing, adding a section to a subtask. So, you can organize your subtasks better by adding them to specific sections, but how do you do that? Well, as of now, Asana doesn't support direct section creation within individual subtasks, but here's the trick. You can create a section at the task level and then use subtasks underneath that. Here's how. First, in your project, click the Add Section button or use the shortcut Tab+N to create a new section within your project. Now, within your task, when you create a subtask, it'll automatically fall under that section. This allows you to keep your work organized, even though you're technically not adding a section directly within the subtask itself. The third thing to know is how to organize multiple subtasks into different sections. While subtasks don't have their own sections, you can easily create multiple sections within a task or project and use them to categorize subtasks. For example, you might have sections like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. You can drag and drop your subtasks into these sections, helping you keep track of your progress. The fourth thing is a quick tip for maintaining clarity. If you need more detailed grouping, you can always create a new task for that section and treat it like a master task with its own subtasks. This is a workaround that allows you to mimic the effect of having sections inside of subtasks. Finally, before we wrap up, don't forget, Asana is a powerful tool that can help you stay on top of your work and keep everything organized. And the best part? You can start using it for free right now with the exclusive bonuses available through the link below. So, there you have it. How to add a section to a subtask in Asana. While it may take a little workaround, you now know how to keep everything organized and under control. Be sure to check out the link below for an exclusive extended free trial of Asana and start managing your projects more effectively today.